bitch heavy.
Yeah. Young official nigga, cut from a different cloth. Always tryna elevate my team, the type of shit I'm on. When coming home, I'm going in, this cycle pissing me off. Young niggas tryna ball, they wanna see all of us fall. No more handouts, I'm just opening doors. Brad came home from his bidding, yeah, he opened the store. Young nigga elevated his life, I'm tryna see it some more. They try to give Ak 4, that shit hit me to the core. I told my dog, keep his head up, we gon' get to these doors. They wanna shackle to our ankles when niggas sweeping the floors. For 75 cents a day, they got you doing they chores. I ran it up for myself, I had to open the store. I made some bands from that cash app, and I'll be damned if I'm slaving, filling up some trash bags. I doubled up on my comedy to my sister's stats that. Stuck in my cell, 22 and 2, I'm having flashbacks. When I woke up and heard Cordata, it was like a backtrack. And just load up these Glock 40s and go slide back. These niggas, they gon' slide for you, they put you in that hashtag. And fuck all that fake love, my nigga, man, you can't have that. No cap, say it's all love, but yeah, they lie to your face. Man, rhyme for these fakes, what got me up in this place. Mom rather see me in the cell, cause yes, he know that I'm safe. She ain't gon' see me in no casket, or she ain't playing no weight. So I'm staying out the way, I'm trying to stack me a safe. And I've been praying up to God, I'm trying to keep me some faith. Cause niggas trying backdoor, they claim they bro, but they snakes. And how you claiming it's all love, but then they turn to the Jakes, no rap. Young official nigga, cut from a different cloth. Always tryna elevate my team, the type of shit I'm on. When coming home, I'm going in, this cycle pissing me off. Young niggas tryna ball, they wanna see all of us fall. Young official nigga, cut from a different cloth. Always tryna elevate my team, the type of shit I'm on. When coming home, I'm going in, this cycle pissing me off. Young niggas tryna ball, they wanna see all of us fall. Young official nigga, cut from a different cloth. Always tryna elevate my team, the type of shit I'm on. When coming home, I'm going in, this cycle pissing me off. Young niggas tryna ball, they wanna see all of us fall.